Hey guys, how you doing? So before I start today's video, just want to say, if you want any car stickers or sun strips or anything like that, if you head over to stickerboost.com, it's down below, link in the bio. They do personalised stickers and everything like that. So there's a link in the bio and also my personal discount code. So if you use that, you get 15% off any stickers you order. So yeah, if you go and just give them a check out, like I said, links in the description. Anyway, on today's video, so today I'll be showing you guys the induction kit that I've got on the 1.4. So I know when I first got the car, that's the first thing I really wanted to do to it, was get an induction kit. But literally for the 1.4, so anyone else has got a 1.4, the trouble finding one was just ridiculous. Like, I know that some companies started bringing out some, so I know that Ford just brought one out, but I believe it's a whole unit, so it's not a cone air filter. So I think it was some range of price of like £320. I might be wrong, it might be cheaper. But yeah, I thought that was a big extortionate price, obviously, for an induction kit. And I believe Pipe Across Air Filter is doing one, but currently they haven't done one. I did ring them up about it and they did say one was on the line, and that was earlier this year, and they said that it'd be out earlier this year, but I've still yet to see one come onto the website. So yeah, I'll just start off. I'll leave the link in the description of the company I'm talking about now. So the company that done my induction kit was called Long Life. They're based in Liverpool. Like I said, I'll leave their website link below. So they personalised it for me, so they made my own in order to make it work with the air filter I currently had. So I've got a Ram Air air filter on it, so it was really good. The current, like I said before in my previous videos, it's just an absolutely amazing quality. Can't find anything wrong with it. It's been on the car now probably about 15,000 miles, and literally nothing's gone wrong with it. There's no turbo leaks or anything like that. So at the moment it's completely solid and sound piece of equipment that I have bought for it. So yeah, I would definitely suggest checking them out if you have got yourself a 1.4 and you are looking for an induction kit, because I know the pain and struggle of going through it. I had to travel quite far down to get it. So I live in the Northamptonshire area and had to travel 3.5 hours, 4 hours to go get it. I'm pretty sure I could have found something closer, but like I said, I mentioned in one of my first ever video was someone had it done, and I was really curious where they got it done, and obviously I've seen they've got it done, so I know that they could do it, and that they were confident to do it, so I went with them instead of risking it going with another garage and it being messed up. So yeah, I'll show you guys a few clips of kind of what it sounds like. I'll try and do it rolling as well. I'll do it stationary first, I'll try and get a few rolling. Due to my exhaust though, sometimes it is quite hard to hear it over the exhaust just kind of opposite. You can definitely hear it inside the car when you're driving, and it sounds quite nice. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it sounds like. So yeah guys, this is the induction kit that I've got made by Lifelong. As you can see, the welding they've done is really good. It's a bit dirty at the moment, haven't cleaned it in a while. I should really. So yeah, the welding is done really good. It's hold on, which is attached down there. So obviously the original box used to be here. I asked them if they could curve it into this part. I have seen other people, they have placed it into this centre bit here, covered with the actual heat protector. But currently I've got a Ram Air air filter on it, which I was planning to switch to Pipe Across, because my original panel filter that I had in it, that I changed for the standard, was a Pipe Across, but instead went for Ram Air this time round. Yeah, so everything is really sound with it and it does fit really well. It cost me actually only £80 to get it done, and I did originally have a problem with this part here. When they originally done it, I had to go back to them just to get it kind of moved back. I say back to them, I just drove up the road and I realised it, but they put the metal a bit too far out, so it was constantly hitting that and you get a really nice rattling noise, but they sorted it out straight away for me. So yeah, I'll show you some videos of it stationary, and then hopefully be able to get some running ones, but I don't see how I am going to. I hope you could hear the induction noise kind of while it's on the roll. Obviously you could hear it when it's stationary, but my exhaust sometimes just kind of masks the turbo noise with the induction kit. So yeah, like I said, so I got it done at Lifelong. They do custom exhausts as well, I know they do. So I had that done to them for 80 quid. I'll leave them in the description down below. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed today, and I hope it kind of gives you an idea around what you can get done on the 1.4 and kind of the price range you're looking at, and kind of hopefully you can make your own mind up if you want to go down the road of like the Forge kit where it's the full unit still but their own version, or if you want to go kind of custom with it. Like I said, if you just like and subscribe the video if you enjoyed it. Instagram will be below, and like I said, Stickerboost, if you like any stickers, so customized sticker, your Instagrams, sun strips, just general car stickers, they have thousands. So yeah, if you go to below, the link will be there, and there'll also be a discount, 15% discount code. I think it's Ryan_Leon97, I believe. So yeah, if you just obviously put that into the coupon when you come into checkout, you get a nice 15% off that. Alright, cheers guys, see you next time.